Hello people, so here it's me Ashish. So I'm back with another video. So in this particular video I'm going to showcase Odoo CRM app. What are the features that Odoo CRM app is currently giving? So let me just open, by the way I have opened the demo version of Odoo. Let me just quickly open the CRM app. So here you can see this is a dashboard of Odoo CRM app. Here we'll be able to find different stages. As you can see, I have new stage, qualified, proposition, and one. These are the basic stages that Odoo is giving as a default. Now, if you want, you can create new stages. If you want to like modify these stages, you can do that. If you want to add a new stage, it's very easy to add a new stage as well. If you want to modify the stage, if you want to rename this, so what you can do is you can see there's an option called edit. So new stage. So I have edited the stage, so you can see the name of stage is changed. Now if I want to add a new stage, so what I can do is I can simply click on this particular column. You can see add a stage is here. So let me add a new stage, and there you go. It's that easy to add a new stage. Coming back to the opportunities, so these are all my opportunities. Now if you want to create an opportunity, there are total three ways. One is you can directly create an opportunity in Todo by the manual process by clicking on the new button here. So you can see there is a button called new. If I click on this new button, system will allow me to create a new opportunity. So here you can see I have all the companies. Basically, these are the contacts which are already added into my system. So I can select any of the contact and I can create an opportunity. But certain times what happens is you have to create a new opportunity, to completely new opportunity, which is not existing in the Odoo. So for that, what you can do is, let me again click on new button. Here I am creating a new contact called Tom Harris. So you can see system is showing me suggestions because Tom Harris contact is not yet existing into the Odoo. So what I can do is I can either directly create Tom Harris or I can click on create and edit. So once I click on create and edit, all the required information for this particular contact, I can add it from here. I can do this on a later stage as well, but this option is available. So what I'll do is I'll just simply click on save and my contact is already added here. If I want to select any subcontact, basically we have an option to add a contact here. You can see add a contact option is there. So if I add any of the contact here, if Tom Harris is my company and I have to add the name of CEO, name of director, maybe name of salesperson, I can simply click on add contacts, and here you can see there are four types of contact that I can create. That is contact, invoice address, delivery address, or others. So if anything is added here, you can simply click on save and close. And oops, my opportunity just lost. I didn't save that, but no problem, no problem. Now I as already created a contact, so here it is. By the way, I was explaining you the contact. So if you want to select any sub contact, you can do that as well. And if you want to rename the opportunities, you can do that too. Uh, Need code for 5 MacBooks. Once it is done, you can simply click on now add opportunity or save. You can see this is how the opportunity will look like. If you still want to change the header, you can do that. You can add the expected revenue here. You can add the system will automatically by the way calculate the probability as this is a new contact. How frequent this particular contact is giving you the order, depending upon that the probability field will auto calculating the data. So here my contact is there as I haven't added any email and phone, that's why it's showing blank. But once I add all these fields into my contact, system will automatically pick that up. And by default, system will take salesperson as a salesperson, as a person who has or who has created the opportunity. So me as a Michelle admin has created opportunity. That's why I am a salesperson for this. But if I want to assign this lead to any other salesperson, I can do that as well. And after that, this opportunity will be available in other salesperson's pipeline. Expected closing, if I want to add, I can add from here as well, and we have an option to add the priority. So if it is less prior, just click on 1 star, much more prior, click on 2, and vice versa. And tag is something which is more important. Basically, by using tags, you will be able to, you as a salesperson will be able to filter out the opportunities. Let me explain that with an example. Here, this is for my, okay, what I'll do is instead of software, I'll add product. Once I click on save, so here you can see product tag is already added here. You can see product tag is added. Now, if I want to see how many opportunities with the tag products are added into my pipeline, I can simply add a filter, or I can even group it by. So I'll just select the filter that is called tags. Tag contains product. Search. So all the opportunities having tag called product is now available in front of my screen. So this is how you can see how many opportunities with different tags are in which stage. So currently I have 5 opportunities in 2 stages, that is new and qualified. So this is how the tagging works. So if you want to use this feature, you can use that. Second thing is Odoo. You can create an email alias into Odoo, not actually into Odoo, but it is available under the sales pipeline or the sales team, you can say. So here under the sales team, if I try to, okay, let me just open any of them. Here you can see there is an option called email alias. So info at the rate, as of now, I don't have any email ID connected here. That's why it's not showing this one. But anyways, let me check if I have another. Okay, it's none. No problem. So what I was trying to explain is if you add an email to info at the rate, I think I don't won't be able to add that as well. But anyways, if you email on info at the rate abcd.com, then automatically an opportunity will be created in a new stage. So this is another way. One is by clicking on new, second one is the email alias, third one is by using the Odoo's website. So in website, in everyone's if you are using Odoo's website, you can create a contact us page there. From that contact us page, if you want, you can create an opportunity. So that option is also available. So there are total 3 options by using which you can create a lead in Odoo or generate a lead. There is a qualification step into Odoo that we call as a lead. So what actually it means? So here, what you are seeing in front of you is called opportunities. This is the big confusion where a lot of consultants and a lot of customers also get confused. Like, what's the difference between an opportunity and a lead? So the basic difference between an opportunity and a lead is lead is nothing but a qualification stage before it converts into an opportunity. And how does it works? For that, we have to open settings, and here you can see add a qualification step before creation of an opportunity. So if you click on lead, so what will happen is, first of all, a lead is created, and if you think the lead is qualified enough to be created or treated as an opportunity, after that only it will show, it will be available in your dashboard or in your stages. Let me just save this and show you how it will be, how it looks like. As I have opened the configuration and settings, Let me walk you through the settings as well. So we have rule based assignment here. Basically what does it mean is, I won't go into the technicalities of rule based assignment, but if I want to explain you in a very layman language, I'll say rule based assignment helps the salesperson, or helps the opportunity to connect with the right salesperson. Let me try to explain that with an example. So there is a company who is using CRM. They are into multi-company business. So they are getting leads from all over the globe. They are having multiple sales teams as well, like Europe sales team, US sales team, India sales team. So how the rule based assignment will work is, if any opportunity is coming from Europe, it will be redirected to my Europe team only, my Europe sales team. Similarly, if any opportunity is coming from country called India, it will be redirected to my Indian sales team. So this is how the rule based assignment work. Also, if you want, you can assign the opportunities based on the priority. If there are less low prior opportunities, you can give them to the trainees so that they can learn how to close the deals. So this is there are a lot of other filters as available as well for the rule based assignment, but this is something basic which I wanted to share with you. And also there are other configuration settings are also available, but I'm not going into the technical part of that. I'm going to create a separate video for the same. So here you can see a new option has now emerged, that is called leads. Let me just open my pipeline. So once you click on lead, here you'll be able to here you will be able to find all those leads. Let me just click on any of the leads. Here you can see it is basically the same thing. If I find this particular opportunity quite useful, I can convert it into, sorry, lead useful, I can convert it into an opportunity, just like this. And there are certain information that system is asking. So I'm just anyway creating an opportunity. Now the same will be, now you can see the same is available in my dashboard, that is this one. It is available here. So this is how this is what the difference between lead and an opportunity. Let me open any of the opportunity here. You can see different stages are there. If you want to send a quotation directly from CRM, you can do that by simply clicking on create a new quote. Once you click on create a new quote, system will automatically pick up all the information related to the contact, because here you can see already the information is there. And the most important thing is you can even send emails from Odoo. So you'll be able to find an option called send message. Once you click on this one, a window like this will open. For that, you have to click on compose full. This is how it will look like. So this is an opportunity. You can type your email body as well. You can add to whom you want to send the email. So you can see I have 1 2 3 4 5 persons in two. You can see the subject line as well. You can add the body. This is my signature. Also, as Odoo 19 is now supporting or coming out with the AI, so you can see I have an AI option as well. If you don't want to do the hassle of typing an email by yourself, you can use AI too. So as AI is a part of this one, you can use the AI as well to type the email. And you can send emails out from Odoo as well. Not just sending the emails, but you will be able to receive the emails as well into Odoo. So if your customer or if your prospect is replying you on the same email, you will be able to find the same. You will be able to find the reply here only in this chatter. We call it chatter in Odoo. So you will be able to find the reply as well. And yes, if you have connected your Gmail or your Outlook with Odoo, one copy will be sent to that particular mail as well. So you won't be missing any of the email. Also, there's an option for drag and drop. if this particular opportunity is in the proposition stage, you can simply click on this and drag it. Same thing works for this as well. This is how easy it is to use Odoo CRM. And also I want to show how many different views are available. Basically what right now you are seeing in onto my screen is this is called as a Kanban view. This is we have as a list view. You can see all the opportunities are in list view. This is my calendar view. This is called as a pivot view. This is the pivot view. You can do the filters as well. You can add measures according to you, just like this. Then we have graph view, and then we have map view as well. If you want to see all the if you want to see all the activities, you can see all the activities as well. That is opportunity wise. Coming on the Kanban view, if you want to add any of the activities, it's very easy. You can see the clock icon is here. So once you click on the clock icon, a pop-up to add an activity or schedule an activity will comes up. So you can simply click on schedule an activity, and if you want to if you want to get notification for email, you can add email summary, that is email. If you want to make a call to that particular prospect, you want to do a meeting, document upload, signature, you can do that. And also you can add a due date as well. So once a due date is coming, system will remind you, just like this. Here you can see there is a small clock icon. So this is nothing but all my activities. So you can see 3 hour for today, 4 hour for future. So if I want to open this, you can see these are the 3 activities which are scheduled for me for today. And this is how easy it is to use Odoo CRM app. In case if you feel if you are having any confusion, if you are having any doubts, you just do let me know. I'll try to answer your questions. Thank you.